starting a topic, Japanese encephalitis. What is Japanese encephalitis? Japanese encephalitis is a synonym of Japanese B encephalitis, that is herbivorous B encephalitis, mosquito-borne encephalitis, Russian Ottoman encephalitis, brain fever, and summer encephalitis. Now, what is Japanese encephalitis? Japanese encephalitis is an inapparent to acute herbivorous infections of horses, pigs, and humans. It is a zoonotic disease that is infecting mainly animals and incidentally man. The envelope glycoprotein of the JE virus contains specific as well as cross-reactive neutralizing epitopes. The major genotypes of this virus have different geographical distribution, but all belong to the same serotype and are similar in terms of virulence and the host preference. What is herbivorous? Virus of basically Japanese encephalitis is a herbivorous virus. What is herbivorous virus? ABV. Viruses of vertebrates biologically transmitted by the hematophagous insect vectors. Special characteristic ability to multiply in arthropods. Worldwide in distribution but far more numerous in tropical than in temperature zones. In India, over 40 ABV detected, less than 10 are known to produce human disease. Now, what is epidemiology for the Japanese encephalitis? Epidemiology is differentiate between geographical distribution, host, transmission, morbidity, and mortality. Now, what is geographical distribution of Japanese encephalitis? Basically, it is endemic in temperature and tropical regions of Asia. Reduced prevalence in Japan, has not occurred in USA, but it is epidemic in India. In India, Japanese is endemic areas in India are affected. Which are those affected areas of Japanese encephalitis in India? The states are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Haryana, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Manipur, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Except in India, Japanese encephalitis, last 25 years ago, it is known as an endemic disease in East Asia, especially in Japan, China, and Korea. But in recent years, it has spread widely in Southeast Asia, and outbreaks of considerable magnitude have occurred in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Now, host. Horses are the primary affected domestic animals of JE through essentially a dead end host. Other equid donkeys are also susceptible. Pigs act as amplifiers of the virus, producing high viremias which infects mosquito vectors. The natural maintenance reservoir for JE virus are birds of the family are dead, herons and egrets. Basically, the animal is a host of Japanese encephalitis. Japanese encephalitis virus infects several extra-human hosts, that is, animals and birds. Animal hosts are, among the animal hosts, pigs have been incriminated as a major vertebrate host for JE virus. In some places, up to 100% of pigs may be infected with JE virus. Infected pigs do not manifest an overt symptoms of illness but circulate the virus so that mosquito get infected can transmit the virus to man. The pigs are thus considered as amplifiers of the virus. Cattle and buffaloes may also be infected with the JE virus. Also, they may not be natural host of JE virus. They act as mosquito attractants. Horses are the only domestic animals so far known which show signs of encephalitis due to JE virus infection. Last is birds. Some species birds such as pond herons, cattle egrets and perhaps poultry and ducks appear to involve in the natural history of JE virus. And humans are vulnerable to this disease because humans are dead end host of the JE virus. Now, what is the transmission process of JE virus? JE presents two recognized epidemiologic patterns in Asia, that is late summer and early autumn associated epidemic disease of northern temperate areas. Large number of mosquitoes feed on ardent birds, that is come in spring season. Ardent birds are migrate between rural and urban ecosystem introducing JE virus. These birds are also amplify virus. Increased vector activity leads to spill over and infected of swine by mosquito vectors shared by birds and pigs. Infected of pigs produced additional amplification of virus, which profusion of JE virus circulating mosquitoes of horses and humans also transmit agent to these hosts, usually sporadic localized epizootics or epidemics, that is late summer or early autumn. Year round, and next one is year round endemic disease of southern tropical areas. Continual cycle between birds, swine and mosquitoes. Principal vectors Culex triturnus and Culex gelidus. Actual transmission of JE virus occurs by means of mosquito, that is Culex triturnus has a wide host range, that is birds, horses, swine and humans. Oviposits in flooded fields, fish ponds, rice paddies and ditches, most active of twilight hours. This is the life cycle of Japanese encephalitis. Now, what is mortality and morbidity? Swine, high mortality of piglets, death rate in adult pigs. Equine, morbidity 2% during an outbreak, mortality 5%. Humans, mortality 5 to 35% and serious neurological sequelae is 33 to 50%. Now, what is the pathogenesis phase of Japanese encephalitis? Virus enters the body through the bite of insect vector, that is mosquito. After that, after multiplication in RD system, viremia of varying duration ensues. Virus is transported to target organ via blood and virus proliferate and damage the neuronal tissue, thereby elicits nervous manifestation. Now, what is the clinical features? Incubation period is 5 to 15 days. The courses of disease in man may be divided into 3 stages, that is prodromal stage. The onset of illness is usually acute and is heralded by fever, headache and malaise. The duration of this stage is usually 1 to 6 days. Next is acute encephalitic stage. Fever is usually high, 38 to 40.7 degrees centigrade. The prominent features are fever, nuchal rigidity, focal CNS signs, convulsions and altered senocerism progressing in many cases to coma. And third one is late stage and sequel. This stage begins when active inflammation is at an end. That is, the temperature and ESR touch normal, neurological signs become stationary or tend to improve. Convulsions may be prolonged and residual neurological deficit may not be uncommon. Last is diagnosis and treatment. Clinical laboratory test, tentative diagnosis, antibody titer, ELISA test, J-species IgM in serum of CSF. Definitive diagnosis is virus isolation, CSF sample and brain. Treatment, no specific treatment, just supportive care. Prevention and control. Personal protective measures and mosquito elimination are the most important. Travelers going to endemic areas may consider vaccination, prevention of mosquito bites, prevent mosquito breeding, that is basically the mosquito breeding and mosquito bite, prevent from mosquito bites and mosquito breeding is a vector control of Japanese encephalitis. The vector mosquitoes of JE are widely scattered and not easily amenable to control. An effective wide way to deal with them is to resort to aerial or ground fogging with ultra low volume insecticides. All the villages reporting cases should be brought under the indoor residual spray. Next is vaccination. JE vaccination prevent encephalitis from JE virus. Vaccination, the immunization schedule of 3 licensed JE vaccines that currently in large scale use vary profile of the respective vaccines and depend on the local epidemiological circumstances and recommended schedule of other childhood vaccine. Vaccination is 3 types, that is mouse brain, cell culture, the mouse brain derived purified and inactivated vaccine, cell culture derived inactivated JE vaccine, and cell culture derived live attenuated vaccine. Vaccination of basically the first vaccine, that is mouse brain, is inactivated vaccine which is based on either the Nakama or Beijing strains of JE virus and produced in several Asian countries, and the cell culture derived inactivated JE vaccine based on the Beijing P3 strain, and the cell culture derived live attenuated vaccine based on the SA 14 to 14.2 strain of the JE virus. The mouse brain derived inactivated vaccine has been used successfully to reduce the incidence of JE in a number of countries, is more likely to be used nationally and internationally for some more years. This is the contradiction for JE vaccination, that history of previous severe allergic reaction, infant less than 1 year of age, and pregnancy. Thank you.